The things you're going to need for your part A of your science experiment are 4 glow sticks, 4 thermometers, and 4 of the same sized cups. We're also going to need a large jug full of room temperature water. Make sure this water is straight off the tap, like this. And also a measuring jar that goes up to 250 milliliters of water, because that's how much water you're going to need. This is going to be my control variable. The first thing you're going to want to do is see the temperature of the water. So you're going to get a thermometer and just place it in here. The temperature of the water should be just above 22 degrees, or like around 25 degrees. So the temperature of this water is 26 degrees. So with this water, my second step is to just fill all 4 of these glass cups with 250 milliliters of water. But what I'm going to do is get 250 milliliters of water by measuring it with this measuring cup. And just fill it up. So now that I have 250 milliliters into each of these cups, what I'm going to do is just place the thermometer into each cup and make sure that all temperatures are the same. All my temperatures are the same. So now what I'm going to do, now what you need is 4 glow sticks. So I have 2 pink and 2 orange. And just line them up and crack them. But before this, I'm just going to turn off the light so you can see the glow sticks. Now, just crack twice in the middle, crack twice at the end, crack at the end again. So now, since this is your controlled variable, it's going to take a while for the actual glow sticks to extinguish. So make sure you have your stopwatch ready. And quickly place a glow stick into each cup. And quickly press start. Now record. I have now finished part C of my science experiment. This part was seeing how long it took for the glow sticks to extinguish in normal room temperature water. My results were, for the first glow stick it took 2 hours, 50 minutes and 42 seconds. For the second glow stick it took 2 hours, 47 minutes and 32 seconds. For the third glow stick it took 2 hours, 45 minutes and 36 seconds. And finally for the fourth glow stick it took 2 hours, 49 minutes and 17 seconds. I will now be finding the averages of these 4 glow sticks, and that will become my controlled variable. Thanks for watching. Bye.